Hi guys, we are at the HWP Tech on Tap show today. I know it's a little loud. I'm going to turn this camera around and kind of show you what's going on here. Again, this beautiful brewery in Charleston, South Carolina. You can see there's lots of different vendors here showing off content, but I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what you have going on at Total Channel today. We are, of course, a content management solution, and today we have one of our Maxi players. This is just kind of our smaller entry-level player. Everything's managed right from the software interface. But you can see here, we have the screen carved up into different little pieces of real estate where you can really manage and create your own channel, manage all the content that you want. A little live music tonight. Beautiful brewery here in Charleston, South Carolina. So Total Channel is exhibiting, of course, but we have a great venue. If you find yourself out in Charleston, stop by and see us. HWPCo, Technology on Tap.